In the center of Bratislava's Old Town stands a building that has watched the city rise, change, and endure. The Old Town Hall began taking shape in the 1200s, when its earliest tower and civic rooms were built. Over time, the growing city expanded the complex by connecting it with nearby municipal and administrative buildings, creating the historic landmark we know today. For centuries, it was the heart of public life, where guilds and merchants shaped the city's growth. It survived destructive fires, violent conflicts, and an earthquake. During Napoleon's bombardment in 1809, a cannonball struck the building, and it still rests in its wall. The tower's bell once marked danger, celebration, and the rhythm of everyday life. Today, the Old Town Hall stands as a lively gathering place that is surrounded by markets, music, and visitors. The Old Town Hall remains a silent witness to the history that shaped the heart of the region.